y'all, welcome to Cookies After Dark, where I bake cookies after dark because my son has sticky paws. Anyway, this video had an interesting turn of events. I had custom cookie cutters made to make my life a heck of a lot easier. Lo and behold, it did not do what I wanted. And instead, it made me get a little creative, and I made these cute little stencils you'll see in a little bit. And if you want to know how I made them, please comment below and like the video, and I will post that video then when I have to use them again, and I will film it, because I wasn't quite sure they were going to work, but they actually worked tremendously. And they were super cheap, under $2. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. Beat to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night.
So, I don't know if you guys were keeping count or not, but I made and decorated over 6 dozen cookies in this video. Those stencils helped a ton. And I didn't even show you all the cookies I made. Anyway, if you like the video, please subscribe so I can provide more for you guys. comment below what you want to see next. And as always, be super today.